Best bridge cameras for stunning photos and videos in 2023. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring the latest and greatest in camera technology. Today, we're diving into the world of bridge cameras and exploring the top contenders for the title of Best Bridge Cameras of 2023. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Sony RX10 IV. First up, we have the Sony RX10 IV, a true marvel in the world of bridge cameras. With its exceptional image quality and impressive features, this camera is a powerhouse that will satisfy even the most discerning photographers. The RX10 IV boasts a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly detailed images with vibrant colors and sharpness. Paired with the powerful BIONZ X image processor, this camera offers remarkable speed and performance, ensuring you never miss a moment. One of the standout features of the RX10 IV is its remarkable Zeiss Vario-Sonnar T lens. With a focal length range of 24 to 600 mm, 35mm equivalent, you have the flexibility to capture wide-angle landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects with ease. The lens also features a fast f2.4-4 maximum aperture, allowing for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background defocus. And when it comes to autofocus, the RX10 IV doesn't disappoint. It features an incredibly fast hybrid autofocus system with 315 phase detection AF points, ensuring precise and accurate focus even in challenging shooting situations. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or subtle details, this camera's autofocus performance is truly impressive. In terms of video capability, the RX10 IV shines as well. It supports 4K UHD recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, resulting in exceptional video quality. Plus, the RX10 IV also excels in terms of handling and usability. It features a high-resolution 2.35 million XGA OLED electronic viewfinder and a tilting 3-inch LCD screen, allowing for easy composition and framing from different angles. Nikon Coolpix B600. Next, we'll be taking a closer look at the Nikon Coolpix B600, a compact and versatile camera that offers an impressive range of features. The Nikon Coolpix B600 is designed for those who seek a camera that combines portability with powerful zoom capabilities. With its 60x optical zoom Nikkor lens, ranging from wide-angle 24mm to super telephoto 1440mm, 35mm equivalent, this camera allows you to capture subjects both near and far with exceptional clarity. It features a 16-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, ensuring high-resolution images with excellent detail and low noise, even in challenging lighting situations. Its lens shift vibration reduction (VR) technology minimizes camera shake, resulting in sharp and steady shots. Plus, it even offers multiple shooting modes, including Scene Auto Selector, which automatically selects the best settings based on the scene you're capturing. Additionally, its target-finding autofocus (AF) quickly locks onto your subject, ensuring precise focus every time. The B600 also allows for seamless connectivity with compatible smart devices. With Nikon's Snap Bridge app, you can easily transfer images from the camera to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing on social media or backup in the cloud. It also enables remote camera control, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different shooting angles and compositions. And when it comes to video recording, the B600 offers full HD 1080p resolution at up to 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture smooth and detailed videos. Its built-in stereo microphone captures clear audio, enhancing your video recordings with immersive sound. Nikon P1000. Next is the Nikon P1000, a camera that pushes the boundaries of zoom capabilities and offers a host of impressive features. This is a bridge camera designed for those who crave exceptional zoom power. It boasts an incredible 125x optical zoom lens, ranging from a wide-angle 24mm to a mind-blowing super telephoto 3000mm, 35mm equivalent. With this kind of zoom range, you can capture the smallest details of a distant subject with astonishing clarity. It features a 16-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, delivering sharp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Plus, its X-Speed image processing engine ensures fast and efficient performance, allowing you to capture a burst of images at up to 7 frames per second. And when it comes to video capabilities, the P1000 doesn't disappoint. It records stunning 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, with stereo sound. You can also utilize the camera's zoom capabilities while recording, allowing you to capture distant subjects in motion with incredible detail. As well as with its unparalleled zoom range and impressive features, the Nikon P1000 is a bridge camera that's sure to amaze and inspire. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a travel photographer, or simply someone who loves pushing the boundaries of photography, this camera delivers extraordinary performance. Kodak PIXPRO AZ528. Next is the Kodak PIXPRO AZ528, a feature-packed camera that offers impressive performance at an affordable price. This is a bridge camera that combines versatility and affordability, making it an appealing choice for both photography enthusiasts and beginners. With its 52x optical zoom lens, ranging from a wide-angle 24mm to a super telephoto 1248mm, 35mm equivalent, this camera allows you to capture a wide range of subjects, from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife. It features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering sharp and detailed images with vibrant colors. And its optical image stabilization helps reduce camera shake, ensuring clear and steady shots even when using the zoom at its maximum range. What's more, its built-in microphone captures clear audio, enhancing your videos with sound. You can also utilize the camera's optical zoom while recording, bringing distant subjects closer and adding a dynamic perspective to your videos. So, in all, with its impressive zoom range, versatile shooting modes, and affordability, the Kodak PIXPRO AZ528 is a great option for those seeking a bridge camera that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Canon PowerShot SX70HS. Next, we'll be diving into the Canon PowerShot SX70HS, a camera that combines impressive zoom capabilities with advanced features for a remarkable shooting experience. This Canon PowerShot SX70HS is a versatile bridge camera designed to meet the needs of photography enthusiasts and travelers alike. Featuring a powerful 65x optical zoom lens, ranging from a wide-angle 21mm to a super telephoto 1365mm, 35mm equivalent. This camera lets you capture everything from expansive landscapes to distant subjects with incredible detail. It boasts a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with rich colors and fine details. And its Digic 8 image processor ensures fast performance, enabling you to capture action shots and shoot continuously at up to 10 frames per second. When it comes to video recording, the SX70HS supports 4K UHD video capture at up to 30 frames per second, allowing you to record stunningly detailed videos. Its 5-axis image stabilization system helps reduce camera shake, ensuring smooth and steady footage even when recording while moving. And the SX70HS features a vari-angle 3-inch LCD screen and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, providing you with multiple options for composing and reviewing your shots. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for easy image transfer and remote control through the Canon Camera Connect app. Panasonic FZ1000 II. Lastly, we have the Panasonic FZ1000 II, a camera that combines advanced features with superb image quality for an exceptional shooting experience. This Panasonic FZ1000 II is a high-performance bridge camera that caters to photographers who demand professional-level features and exceptional image quality. Equipped with a large 1-inch 20.1 megapixel MOS sensor, this camera delivers stunningly detailed images with impressive dynamic range and low noise performance. It features a versatile Leica DC Vario lens with a 16x optical zoom range, covering a focal length range of 25 to 400 millimeters. One of the standout features of the FZ1000 II is its enhanced Venus Engine image processor. This advanced processor ensures fast and accurate image processing, allowing for high-speed burst shooting at up to 12 frames per second. It also enables 4K UHD video recording at up to 30 frames per second, delivering stunningly detailed and lifelike videos. What's more, this FZ1000 II offers a variety of shooting modes and creative options, including full manual control, various scene modes, and creative filters. It also supports raw image capture, giving you the flexibility to process and fine-tune your images in post-production.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.